diagonal rib effect done by front post double crochet. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Purple Tulip workshop where you learn your stitches and stitch to create with love. I'm your host Shipra and I'll be taking you through a series of videos on different types of stitches and projects. We're going to start with our slip knot. And for this type of the design, a pattern design, we require our chain to be in the multiples of 3. So I'm going to make a foundation chain of 15. Now I've got my chain 15. I'm going to do chain 1, so it's 15 plus 1, and then I'm going to do a single crochet on the back loop, so I'm going to do a single crochet all the way through till the end on this first row. I'm going to pause my video and I'll just be back once I've finished this row. I've got 15 single crochets over here. Now we're going to move on to the second row. I'm going to do chain 2. I'm going to turn my work around. Now we have to do double crochets all the way through in the second row. So I've got yarn over, hook into my second stitch, and I've got my double crochet there. Now I'm going to work this entire row with the double crochets. I'm going to pause my video now and I'll just come back once I've come to the end of this row. I've completed the second row with 15 double crochets. Now we're going to move towards the third row, so I'm going to do chain 1. I'm going to turn and work around, and now I'm going to do a single crochet all the way through till the end of this third row. So I'm going to pause my video now and I'll just come back once I've completed this row. Now I've completed the third row with 15 single crochets, and we're going to do chain 2, and I'm going to turn my work around. Now I'm going to be doing 2 double crochets in the following stitches, so that's 1 and 2. So now I have 3 double crochets, and we are going to now be doing our front post with the yarn over, and I'm going to be placing my hook underneath this particular post. So I'll show that to you. So this is the particular post that we're going to be placing a hook underneath. So I'm going to place the hook in like this, yarn over, pull through. I'm going to pull through on the yarn a little bit more, and then we're going to do our double crochet like this. Now we're going to be doing 3 double crochets in the following 3 stitches. That's 1 and 2 and 3. Now I'm going to be skipping the next 2 stitches and we'll be doing the front post double crochet on this stitch. So I'll have yarn over and I'll place the hook underneath this post. Yarn over, I'll pull through. I'm going to pull through onto the yarn a little bit, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops. And we'll do 3 double crochets in the next following 3 stitches. Now I'm going to be doing a front post after skipping these 2 stitches. So on this third one I'll do the front post double crochet. Now I've come to the last double crochet stitch over here. And we're going to be doing a double crochet front post on this stitch. So skip the 2 and do the front post like this. Now we're going to start working on the next row. So we're going to do a chain 1. We're going to turn our work around, and we're going to be doing single crochets all the way through. So we're going to do a single crochet in this first stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and that's 3. And we're going to now skip this one because we have the front post falling here, and we're going to do single crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, and we're skipping this one because we have the front post there. Working on the next one, 1, 2, 3, skipping this one, working on the next one, so this should give you 15 single crochets now. And we're going to do chain 2. I'm going to turn our work around, and now we're going to do 2 double crochets in the next stitches. So that's 1 and 2. And now we're going to do a front post on this post. So we'll bring a hook all the way around here. And pull the yarn through, pull it up a little bit more, and we do the double crochet. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets in the next stitch. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to keep on continuing with the technique of lifting the front post after our 3 double crochets like that. Up till the height that we require for our project. I'm going to now just complete this into a small smudge and keep on continuing with this technique of doing the front post technique and then the single crochets on the back side, and then coming back and doing the same technique. So I'm going to make a few more rows, and I'll just come back once I have a small swatch ready. Here I am now. I've just completed this swatch. I've just woven in the tail ends over here and over here. Just quickly going to snip this off. now you can see how the diagonal front post looks like. It's a really nice texture. It gives you a nice thick dense fabric as well. You can use it in baby blankets or even something like a throw over that you want to put over the sofa. So it's a nice diagonal line going through. So you have a variation on this. If you're working on these circulars, it's different. So I'm going to be doing another tutorial on this diagonal front post texture, which is going to be in a circular round, and I'm probably going to be doing a project like making a hat. So I'll show you that variation. This is a one where you require something like in a flat texture, like a blanket or something. But there's another version of doing this, which is in the circular. So I'll do that in a few days, and I'll upload that video as well. So if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel from the link below, and click on to the bell icon for the latest updates. Take care for now. Bye bye.